I've recently been introduced to this green cola drink. It comes in different flavors. They're all naturally sweetened and no added sugar. So I've added them to my Amazon store so you guys can purchase them and try them for yourselves. They are delicious. My favorite flavor is sour cherry. So I'm making sour cherry cocktails for you guys to try at home with this delicious soda. So today we're gonna make a sour cherry rum punch. So I have rum here. And with these cocktails, because of the sparkling sour cherry, we're not gonna shake these. So I'm just gonna fill this glass with some ice. Super easy. We're gonna do 2 ounces of rum. We're gonna do 1 ounce of sour cherry simple syrup. So I've made this equal parts sugar and water with some grenadine. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And we're gonna top that with our sour cherry soda. Super easy and delicious. Garnish that with some mint leaves and a cherry. And that cocktail is all set. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram and my Amazon store. Cheers.